everyone, it's Mr. Hambury here, and as we come to the end of the school year, I wanted to take a moment to reflect with you. Now this year has been something special, not perfect, not always easy, but incredibly meaningful. And if you've been supporting the channel, watching the lessons, revising with the tutorials, or just popping in for those live sessions that we enjoyed so much, I want to say thank you. Now, when I look back at this year, I realize how much we've actually done together. We've built lesson after lesson, tackled challenging CAT concepts, walked through exam papers, PAT guides, theory modules, and everything in between. We've managed to pass over 46,000 subscribers, reached learners all over the country, and created hundreds of new resources, all designed to make computer applications technology more accessible, more understandable, and honestly, a bit less scary. But I want to be honest with you about something. You know, at the start of this year, everything almost stopped. My teaching and recording equipment, the gear that I rely on to make all these videos, was stolen. And for a moment, I really wondered if I would ever be able to keep the channel going. It was a horrible feeling. Losing the tools you've built everything on. But I also knew this. Students were still writing exams, teachers still needed support, and learning doesn't slow down just because life gets difficult. Oh no. And so I made myself a promise. By God's grace, we would bounce back. Piece by piece, I rebuilt new equipment, new software, new workflow, and slowly but surely, we got back on track. And somehow, we actually came out stronger. This year, we produced some of the best content yet. The exam prep series, the revision marathons, the practical guides. You guys showed up, you engaged, you learned, and you kept me going in the process. This channel exists because of you. And since we're talking about tech and rebuilding, I want to take a moment just to thank today's sponsor, KeysFan.com. Because if you're getting your computer ready for next year, whether you're a student, a teacher, or just trying to get your PC running smoothly, well, this might actually help you. KeysFan offers affordable, genuine activation keys for both Windows and Microsoft Office, which is the exact software that many of us use every single day. And to show you how simple it is, here's a quick look. All you have to do is go to keysfan.com. From there, you just choose your product, add it to your cart, and before you check out, use the code EMH52 for 52% off Windows keys and EMH62 for 62% off Office products. You can pay via PayPal, credit card, and the keys emailed to you almost instantly. And this is one of the easiest ways to get your device set up for the new school year. And as always, all the links and coupon codes are in the description below. So a huge thanks to keysfan.com for supporting the channel and helping me keep a lot of the resources that I share here free. Now, if this year has taught me anything, it's this: we are stronger than we think we are. Setbacks happen, things go wrong, but with the right community behind you, like this one, you can rebuild. And sometimes, as is the case here, the rebuilding makes you better than you were before. We learned that technology is powerful when we use it with a purpose. We learned that students thrive when learning feels clear and calm. And we learned that even when life throws chaos your way, consistency wins. And now we look forward, because 2026, I can tell you, is going to be a brilliant year.
High five!
More lessons, more revision sessions, more tips, tools, and resources to support students, teachers, and anyone who wants to just improve their computer skills. And I've got some exciting plans in the works. There's a new series coming out, new worksheets, exam prep tools, and some behind-the-scenes improvements to make sure that content is even clearer and more useful than it's already been. And so, to every single one of you, I say thank you. Thank you for watching, for commenting, for sharing, and for trusting this channel with your learning. This year was tough, but we made it and we bounced back. And next year, we're going even further. So, from myself, Mr. H, have a restful holiday. Take a breather, and I'll see you in the new year, where we're going to be ready to learn, grow, and excel. So take care, everyone. Be safe this festive season, and God bless.